Hello, soap makers. I'm here to ask you just one question. Do you really make profit from that soap business? Have you decided to pack up that business because you don't make profit from that business? I am here to share with you how I started making profit from my soap business. My name is Ogechi Madukoma. I'm the NDC of Glomajos Enterprises, where we produce very quality and also NAFDAC approved cleaning products with the brand name Lorima. I'm also the lead trainer at Glomajos Business School on YouTube. I started selling soap in 2014. When I started, I had learned how to produce soap using the cold method. So I produced this very beautiful bar of soap. I took it to the open market at the time to sell. At that time, my strategy was to penetrate the market with a low price. I had added just 100 naira as margin for myself per carton. So when I got to the market, I had introduced my soap to the women in the open market. But to my greatest surprise, they were willing to sell their soap back to me at the same price I wanted to sell to them. And I told myself, there must be a secret that I don't know. Luckily for me on that day, one of the women I met there agreed to introduce me to her supplier and see how he can help me. So when I waited and the man came around, I had introduced myself to him, showed him my soap, and he agreed that yes, this soap is of quality, but he told me that there is a secret that I don't know. That is why I'll not be able to stay competitive with this method. And he agreed to teach me the method, even though I paid heavily at the time. But after he taught me, I was able to produce my soap, sell in the same market, and I was able to make massive profit. Yes, he taught me how to produce bar soap using the semi-hot method. And I am here today to show you how to produce bar soap also using that method. Since last month, I organized a series of training teaching people on my YouTube channel in a paid training how to produce bar soap using this method, and I've recorded massive results. I would like to hear what one of my students have to say.
These are my beautiful soaps. Look at my soaps. Are they not beautifully made? Yes, they are beautifully made. My name is Tina. Before I learned this method, I was using 1 liter of oil to produce between 11 and 13 bars of soap. But after my training with Glomajos Business School, I am now making 24 pieces of soap from 1 liter of oil. Please help me thank Glomajos Business School for teaching me this method that is helpful to me, that has made me to make more profit from my laundry soaps. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Yes, we've heard from her. She went from producing 11 to 13 bars of soap using 1 liter of PKO to producing 24 bars of soap using of PKO. You can imagine, same input, double output, from 11 bars to 24 bars using the same input. I am here today to teach you how to produce bar soap using that method. So if you want to join me in learning how to produce bar soap using this method, click the link below, make payment. I'm not charging you 25,000 that I paid, for just 5,000 naira. You'll be able to join us and learn how to produce bar soap using the semi-hot method. I had hosted this class on Telegram. I have how to produce bar soap using the cold method, using the hot method, and using the semi-hot method. All 3 methods hosted in the class. Join many other soap makers that are in class learning how to make bar soap and how to be profitable. And if you ask me any question, just send me a WhatsApp message on 234 8029 046605. I'll take that again. 234 8029 046605. I want you to start making profit in that soap business. And yes, you can. Join us right now. Click the link below, make payment, and you'll be taken to class automatically, and you start learning, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. Remember, we have how to produce bar soap using the 3 methods: the cold method, the hot method, and my banger method, the semi-hot method. For just 5,000 naira, you have nothing to lose.